What is up guys, it's Sean here again, and today I'll be bringing you guys another unboxing, and this time it's gonna be headphones. So I remember doing an unboxing for the Beats Studio 3s a couple of weeks back, and these ones are also gonna be over-the-ear headphones, but these are more expensive. So these were actually the Bose HD700 headphones. I really like the Beats Studio 3s, but the clarity and the treble on those was, I would say, was average. It wasn't that good. It was not as good as my other headphones because I also own other Bose headphones and I just love the sound of Bose, the treble that they make, and just the crisp, balanced, clear sound that they produce. So that's why I decided to go for the Bose HD700 headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox these up and see if they're actually that good. Alright guys, so here's the box that they were shipped in. So I bought these from Amazon, so that's why you can see the Prime logo up there. So let's go ahead and unbox these up with my huge knife here. Okay. Knife to the side for a second. Let's see how they are packed inside. And there they are. Bose HD700. Let's get this box out of the way real quick so you can see the headphones better. So here's the box, nicely packed in this plastic wrap. So you can see it says made for iPhone, iPad, iPod, works with Android as well, Google Assistant, and Alexa built in. That's good. Premium sound, noise cancelling, industry leading, yeah, and they also have 20 hours, up to 20 hours per charge. That's not bad. Let's get these out of this wrap here. And here is the box. You guys can see it says Bose noise cancelling headphones 700. Wow, I like this packaging. Really nice box. This is similar to the box that I got with my Quiet Comfort earbuds that I bought a few years back. Yeah, those sounded good too. So let's go ahead and unbox this up. So I think this slides to the side. This, oh wait, there's a, is there a pull tab here? I think so, yeah. So you just pull this here, like so, and just open up like that. Okay, so here's the box. Let's get this plastic out of the way. So just gonna lift this up. That was easy. And nice, there's a cover, there's a case. Okay, I again didn't know that these come with a case. Just like when I unboxed the Beats Studios, I didn't know that they came with the box. Nice. Wow. Wow, and I love the smell of new electronics. I know a lot of you know what I'm talking about. And this is the quick start guide here. Start here. So you have to download the Bose Music app in order to connect your headphones with Bluetooth, and that's the same case with all other Bose headphones and speakers as well. So you just have to follow these few steps and you'll be connected in no time. And some silicone gels. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. I don't think so. I think that's it. That is it. That's all you get. Now, I think everything else is gonna be in the case here. Now, let's go ahead and open up this case. Wow, by the way, what a nice case. It's got a good texture, kind of like leather, rubbery leather. I don't think it's actual leather, but I like the detail on this. As you can see, all the stitchings, and looks really nice. And the Bose logo here. Let's go ahead and open this up, unzip this. And here they are, guys, the Bose HD700 headphones. I opted for the black versions because I really like this matte black finish. And as you guys can see, these look amazing in this color. Wow. Oh wow, these are so lightweight. And the build quality looks absolutely outstanding. Wow. I really like this quality. I think these are, it's like a premium a high-grade plastic used here, but and the foam up on this headband is also kind of feels like rubber, but it's a very high-class material, I can tell. Nice. And the foams used on the ear cups, it kind of feels like leather. Yeah, I think it's leather. But wow, these look so nice. And I can already tell these are gonna be very comfortable to wear. Thankfully, it came with a USB-C and not the old USB connector, so you don't have to use the other old USB cable. And here's the Bluetooth connection button. Not sure what this is for. Probably noise canceling. We'll have to figure that out once we turn them on. And wow, really nice looking headphones. You can already tell. And it says right and left inside the ear cups here. To adjust them, just I think hold them and push them like that. Wow, look at that. It's just the ear cups that slide. That's so nice. Looks so good. Let's put these aside for a second and see if we get anything else in the box. So here is the a small guide. It says that you should download the Bose Music app to connect your headphones, and then you can press on that part of the headphones to play and pause, to increase the volume and take calls. And it says it's going to be on the right side, so let's see. It's probably right here. I think you can tap it here, most probably. Yeah, so it probably has like a touch tap button here somewhere. Let's see what else we get. Let's lift this up, and here is the 3.5 mm cable. Nice. And then we get the USB-C charging cable as well. Thank God they included that, because nowadays you can never know. So yeah, I guess that's about it. That's all that you get in the box. So now let's go ahead and connect these headphones to my iPad. So let's connect these headphones to my iPad here. So as you guys can see, I've already downloaded the Bose Music app because I use that with my other Bose headphones. Let's open that up. So there's right now searching for my Bose QC earbuds, but I'm gonna tap the plus button right here and headphones. Let's get started. So it's gonna ask me to sign into my account, I guess. Yeah, let me do that real quick. So right now it's searching for the headphones. Let's go ahead and turn these headphones on. It's this button. So yeah, you can see the headphones are on, and it has already picked up the headphones. So let's click connect. I'm gonna click pair. So it's saying that it uses another app that's not installed. So let's go to App Store. I don't know what app it's talking about. Oh, most probably the Alexa. So and Google Assistant. So I don't want to install that right now. So we're gonna go back. Select a name for your product. We're gonna go with Bose NC700 headphones. Save. And it's saying that it has touch controls on the front right ear cup, just like I showed you guys. On the right side, I think there are touch controls. And you can take phone calls, noise cancellation, voice assistant, all set. So it's saying it's all set. The setup is complete. Alright guys, so here are the headphones, Bose HD700s, and they're successfully connected with my iPad, and let's go ahead and try them out and see how they sound. Okay, so I can already tell that these are the most comfortable over-the-ear headphones I've ever worn over my years, like easily. These are so lightweight, and the cushions here, the leather cups here are so comfortable. Let's go ahead and play something on this. So as you guys can see, you can select the levels, the different levels of noise cancellation here. That is amazing. Wow. Depending on how much sound you want to hear from the outside. This is amazing. And then there's also an equalizer here that you can change. And also some shortcuts that you can add as well. So let's go ahead and listen to some music. So we're gonna start with a bass heavy soundtrack. Wow. See, this is what I was talking about. The clarity, the treble. Bose is the best when it comes to clarity, the crisp sound. Wow, these are producing phenomenal sound. Wow. And these are very loud too. I can already tell that. These are easily 25% more louder than my QC earbuds. I can already tell that. And the bass is also very well balanced. Yeah, it's just that sound, that clarity. That's why these are so expensive, you know, because these are premium headphones. Wow, really good, really good. Amazing bass, amazing treble. The lows, the highs, the mids are perfect as well. So yeah, I guess that is going to be it for this video, guys. And I hope you liked it. And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Take care.